Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is the second part of rounding numbers. In this video, we are going to learn how to round up to nearest 10,000, 100,000 or million. So let's get started. First, review the rule of our rounding. We know if there is 1, 2, 3 or 4, there will be no change in the numbers. If the previous number is 5, 6, 7 or 8, there will be change. This is the thumb rule. Put it in a box. Let's take a big number, 58,236. So step 1, let's figure out what is the 10,000th digit. So ones place digit is 6, tens place digit is 3, 100 place digit is 2, thousands place digit is 8, 10,000 digit is 5. So I am putting a small line. So we have to look at the previous digit, which is the thousands place digit, when we are trying to round up to nearest 10,000. Here the thousand place digit is 8. So 58,236, nearest 10,000 will be 60,000. Let's do it in the number line way. Here is 10,000. This is 50,000. This is 60,000. In between, 55,000. So 58,236 is somewhere between here. 58,000. 58,236. So nearest thousand will be 60,000. Let's do another example. 13,208. Step 1. Let's find the tens place digit. Ones place digit is 8. Tens place digit is 0. 100 place digit is 2. Thousands place digit is 3. And 10,000 place digit is 1. So first we are trying to find out the 10,000 place digit. So the digit is 1. We have to look at the previous digit, which is a thousands place digit. We see there is 3. Let's look at our thumb rule. 1, 2, 3, 4. If the previous number is 1, 2, 3, 4, there will be no change. If the previous number has 5, 6, 7 or 8 or 9, I forgot to write 9, there is no change. So 13,208, the nearest 10,000 will be 10,000. Let's do the number line. This is a 10,000 number line. This is 10,000, 20,000, in between 15,000. So 13,208 will be somewhere between here. 13,208. So 13,208, the nearest 10,000 will be 10,000. Let's move on to the next part. Rounding to nearest 100,000. Take a 100,000 number. 384,506. Okay. Step 1. First, figure out what is the 100,000 place digit. You need to review very well the place value from the 4th grade book. Ones place digit is 6. Tens place digit is 0. 100 place digit is 5. Thousands place digit is 4. 10,000 digit is 8 and 100,000 digit is 3. So I put a line in 3. So when they're asking to round to nearest 100,000, first we put a line on the 100,000 digit. Look at the previous number, which is 8. 10,000 digit is 8. So we know if it is 8, there will be a change in the given 100,000 digit. So 384,506 will become 400,000. Let's do a number line. This is the nearest 100,000 number line. This is 300,000. This is 400,000. In between 350,000. So 384,506 will lie somewhere here. 384,506. So what we see a nearest 100,000? The nearest 100,000 is 400,000. Take another example. 224,318. As you know, first we have to find the 100 place digit. Ones, tens, 100. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and this is 100,000. So 100,000 digit is 2. Look at the previous number, 2. 10,000 plus digit is 2. So there will be no change in 100,000 place. So 224,318 will become 200,000. Let's do it in number line. We are doing 100,000. This is 200,000. Top is 300,000. In between 250,000. Let's put the number 224,318 here somewhere. 224,318. So the nearest 100,000 will be 200,000. Now we are rounding to nearest million. Let's take a number 5,602,103. So step 1, find what is the millions place digit and put a small line. Ones is 3, tens 0, 100 1, thousands place digit is 2, 10,000 place digit is 0, 100,000 place digit is 6, and million digit is 5. So I put a small line in 5. As the same rule, look at the previous digit 6. The thumb rule is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. No change. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We do have to change. So 5,602,103 will become 6 million because the previous 100 place digit is 6. 6 million. Let's do another example. 4,318,744. Let's find the million digit. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, and This is million, 4. Look at the previous digit, which is 10,000, is 3. So there will be no change. 4,318,744. The nearest million will be 4 million. And let's do the number line, the huge number line in millions. This is 4 million. This is 5 million. In between 4,500,000. So 4,318,744 will lie somewhere here. I'm using a different color. 4,318,744. So nearest million will be 4 million. Before wrapping up, let's review what we learned from this video. I'm taking a number 8,356,205. First, I round up to nearest 10,000. Nearest 10,000. But before that, let me write down the thumb rule. 1, 2, 3, 4. No change. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Change. So here we are rounding up to nearest 10,000. First figure out what is the 10,000 digit. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So 10,000 digit is 5. Look at the previous number 6. 6 means change. So this 5 will become 6. Number will be 8,360,000. Now we are going to round up to nearest 100,000. Nearest 100,000. First, find out the digit of nearest of 100,000 place. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So 100,000 place is 3. Look at the previous, which is 10,000 digit, is 5. 5 means yes, there will be a change. So 8,356,205. If you round off to nearest 100,000, it will be 8,400,000. Let's round up to nearest millions. Nearest millions. Step 1, we have to find the place value digit of the millions dollar place. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million. So million place value digit is 8. Look at the previous 100,000 digit 3. 3 means no change. So there will be no change in the million place value. So 8,356,208. Nearest million will be 8 million. That's all for today's video. Hope this video is useful. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe this channel.